In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a new project in GIMP. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up GIMP, GNU Image Manipulation Program, and select the File tab at the top left. And then you would just select New, which you can also achieve by selecting the Control and N key combination on your keyboard. Then you would go ahead and select your template. You can enter in a custom image canvas down here, or you can click the drop down and select one of the predetermined templates on here. Most of your common ones should be listed. And then once you've made your selection, either you're going to do custom or a template in here, doesn't really matter. You can then expand advanced options as well to change the X and Y resolution, color spacing, precision, gamma, color, profile, and those sort of details. Also create a comment that you want on the project file itself, and you can fill in the background color or foreground color with any specific color you're looking for here. And then once you're done, just go ahead and select OK to go ahead and create that project, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.